Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7A, Tennessee. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today, we trying to pick one of these Italian honeys. Just like Broke would say. Let me, think we got one is ripe and one is almost ripe. We're supposed to be getting a little bit of rain, so maybe it won't run it for me. We got cold weather coming in, below freezing weather, starting, I think, Sunday night or Monday night, Tuesday. Yeah. So yeah, everything is finna be died back for the winter. But let's get to this fig and see what it tastes like. And that's the one. It's drooping. It's soft. So let's get it. Not much latex dripping. So yeah, it should be ready. Oh, it could have went a couple more days. Yeah, it could have went a couple more days, but Italian honey. Oh yeah, she's a fruit. She's a fruit. Nothing left. Now, maybe we can get this one come on out tomorrow. It's soft. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it. This one, I don't know if we're gonna have a chance to make it. That one, I know she ain't gonna have a chance to make it. Gonna pop up right on off. This one too, not gonna have a chance to make it. So, kind of hard to pull off with one hand. Maybe next year we'll get a few extra. That one good and soft, boy. I wanna go ahead and pick it. Forget it, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. No latex, so it was ready. It was just hung up. Let's see what the inside of this one look like. Ooh, it's a little bit more riper. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mm-hmm. That's what that one look like. Not as big, a lot more riper. Boy, you better shut up. You better shut up. That'll make you want to cut a jig right there, boy. That'll make you want to cut a jig. Yes, sir. That was good. That was good. Yes, sir. That was good. Come on, baby. I can't wait till you come back next year. Yeah. That's what I'm doing out here. Doing my figs. Creating more soil from my fall leaves. Look at my Violet Day Bordeaux. She has grown out the box this year. Yes, she has. It's beautiful. Gonna be sad to see the bananas going down for the winter. Probably gonna pull these maters out tomorrow too. And you can see it still have a lot of tomatoes. I always come around the front side. I'm gonna come around the back side. Just saying. Them blushing already. nice and nice there. They are everywhere. These tomatoes don't know how to quit this year, boy. Don't know how to quit. Look at that. Begging. Begging. Make it a little bit better from this side. Look at my that one back there. Begging. Begging. They still everywhere. Get over here, look at these. Nice. More. Pulled the peppers already. Got some carrots coming in. Cabbage is looking pretty good. Had to hit them with more soapy water. You know, I ain't covered them. Hard headed. I get the cabbage whoppers out. Well, them leaf, them cabbage, whatever they are, they'll be attacking them caterpillars. In fact, I just killed a couple. Just laying right down here. There go one. Them things will try to eat your cabbage. That's where the holes come from. They lay them butterfly lay eggs in there, so then them little babies come out and try to take your groceries. Green beans, putting on more flowers. I don't know if the frost will kill them or not. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Got all my citrus and got my 4 citruses right here. My Miwok kumquat. Ate one of those yesterday. Delicious, delicious. My Nagami kumquat. You can see both of them in setting kumquats like crazy. In full bloom. Miwok, same way, same way. I'm just hoping they don't struggle once I take them in the house. My Myers lemon, setting lemons like crazy. Moore's blood orange. Still got to put some more pruning on her because them thorns cannot be coming in the house. Spray them down. Still gonna put my tool across the buckets before I bring them in. My pink guava is a big old tree now. My white guava, another tree. Looking pretty good. Oh, I forgot my other citrus, my brown Celeste Satsuma. I don't know why I got over there with the guavas, but yeah. And I got my 8-year-old seed grown lemon. My other figs, my Panache Tiger fig. This is She Beautiful. That's a Shea fig. I just planted that about a month ago. That's a yellow long neck I planted beginning of spring. That's a cutting I took last year. I can't remember from which one. It's my Cialis. This right here is my Cadota. Right there is my Olympian. Got a log on top of my white Marcellus. That's the beast. That LSU purple. That's Hugo. That beard is black. Look like he put on some double bumps. That's my brown turkey. That's a piece of Hugo. It broke off. That beard is black. It's my pomegranate. It comes from my brother juicing with Jay. This is my Desert King. I planted about 2 months ago. Then I got a little black Michigan right there, little guy right there. Planted him about 3-4 weeks ago. Yeah, that's all my figs. That's our stuff going over here. I'm still, you see, shredding leaves, making my own soil. It's better my beds for next year. Getting ready to move some stuff around. Get ready to take all of these tomatoes down. And I'll make another video when I do that to show how many tomatoes we still got on here thing. There's still some big ones on there though. There's still some big ones on there. Them two right there blush. I think it's almost November, and we still got tomatoes down, even on my garden challenge tomatoes. Still tomatoes everywhere. These pink Belgium giants. We got pink Belgium giants, Goliath, Jet Stars, Florida 81s, and Delicious. That's a beautiful tomato right there, bush. That's beautiful. And I had doing some weeding. Yeah, some little stuff that needs to be done. That's what they're doing. Them figs look delicious, y'all. Pretty soon I will be having some cuttings going off of that Italian honey, that Violet de Bordeaux, and that Texas Everbearing for sure. I for sure have cuttings off of them three. Probably get my storage going on Etsy. So yeah, look out for that. Once again, thank y'all for tuning in. It's Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7A. Growing is my passion. Y'all stay blessed.